Guys, this is Washabi and today I got an unboxing. Now this is a Damasko watch. They call it the watch passport from Damasko. Contact details and the manuals and all that jazz. And this is the watch itself. Let's get it out of the box. Else in the box. Normally very nice. It's like a lacquered wooden box, hinge at the back. Let's see how it looks like. The DS30. Anyway, I will be writing a full write-up and also doing a video or review on this watch soon, so do follow the channel, and hopefully it'll come out soon. Thank you so much for watching. Do follow the channel. Bye bye for now.